Hello students, this is Shovik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about conditional statements. The type of conditional statements, what is a conditional statement, why we use conditional statements in our code, and the types of statements, okay, and through some examples. Okay, so let's learn then. First, what is a conditional statement? What is a conditional statement? Suppose you want to make a system where the computer will take one input from an user, the age of the user, and you want to check the age is greater than or equals to 18 or not. If it is greater than or equals to 18, then the person will be eligible to cast his or her vote. That is what you want to do in your code. So how to check his or her age? So in that type of problem, we use conditional statement. So suppose you want to check whether someone's marks is above 80% or not. If it is above 80%, then that the students will get A plus grade. Okay, so in this type of scenario, we use conditional statement. So there are types of conditional statements actually. If else, if elif else. Okay, the structure of conditional statement, the syntax is like if, then the condition, whether, as I said, whether the age is greater than 18 or not, greater than equals to 18 or not. Okay, then colon, and mind the indentation here, mind the indentation you have to give it, because in Python we are not using any type of bracketing. Okay, just the way we do in other languages like Java, C++. Okay, now in Python, instead of using brackets, we use indentation, this small gap, using tab, pressing tab in your keyboard, we call it indentation, and it is very, very important in Python language, because without it the program will throw an error. Okay, so one indentation, then the statements, actually statement, or more than one statement. Okay, so let's do it in real time. Like I want to take an age, the age of an user as an input. So enter your age. Okay, now I want to check whether this age is greater than equals to 18 or not. If it is greater than equals to 18, then I want to show one message that you are eligible for casting your vote, or if it is not, then I want to show you are not eligible for casting your vote. Okay, so if age greater than equals to 18, print you are eligible Okay, let's run the program and see. Seeking your one input from you. Let's take 23. You are eligible. Okay, now if I have given the input as 23. Okay, now that is why this condition is true, because 23 is obviously greater than 18, so it is showing you are eligible. But what will happen if I put gives one input like below 18? uh, there must be something that we should show if a user is uh, below 18 years. Okay, so for that we need to include the else part of if. This is the main part. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. If this is not true, then the else part will be executed. Okay, print you are not eligible. Okay, so enter your age. If I do 25, you are eligible. That is fine, that is fine. Now I am putting an age like 15, which is obviously below 18 years. See, you are not eligible. Okay, this is how it works. This is how the if and if else works. Okay, now I want to check another thing, like ticketing ticketing system in railway. uh, if someone's age is greater than 18 years, then you have to pay the full price. If it is below 18 years but greater than 10 years, then you have to pay the 50% of the price, and below 10 years you are free. For that see, there is so many conditions you have to check, but here you can check only one condition at a time. So for that you have to do I have to use elif. Using elif you can check for more than one conditions, like uh, you have to use elif. You can use actually elif more than one time. Okay, so just take a look how it works. Full price. Okay, elif age greater than equals to 10, half price. And lastly the else part, else print free. Okay, run the program. Enter your age. If I enter 20, then full price obviously. Run again. If I put 15, then half price. And if I do 5, then free. See, so this is how we use the conditional statements. If, then if else, then if elif else. You can use more than one elif. Okay, in here, like you can do elif age greater than 8 and put something as a statement, super half price, almost free but not free. So I think you got it, how to use if elif else. all these things. Okay, so this is it, this is for the video. See you next time. And if you have any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. You have my number, or just comment it down in the comment section below. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.